What is up, guys? Just wanted to show you that Noam contacted us. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to make a real quick video, and I want to let you guys know Noam contacted us and they sent me a brand new subwoofer. So if you guys remember, I don't know if you guys remember the video where I did the unboxing video. I guess the owner saw that video. I think it's going on 3,000 views or something. And then I uploaded the video a month later where the subwoofer broke. So because I want to keep things as honest as possible with you guys, I did mount it under the seat. He sent me an email and he said that it's not made to be mounted under the seat, that they recommend putting it between the driver and passenger side. I'll show you a little picture here that I saw off their Facebook, how to do that if you are a Maverick owner. But because I've just blown my budget on UTVs, side-by-sides, trailers, and all that good stuff, I decided to not go that route. And you know, the system that I have is working. I got the kicker down there under the seat. I bought the box that cost like $230, so I figured I'd just keep that system like that. Now my son's Razor does need a new roll cage. When I bought that, the roll cage was bent. Alright guys, so here's the RZR 900 2012. This thing is a beast, man, and it's a keeper. I'm definitely going to keep this one. The power to weight ratio and just something about how small it is. Yeah, it's just I think it's like 8 or 9 feet, maybe 9 feet long, so it's kind of like a quad. I mean, you can see the difference there. But it's a keeper. We're gonna fix her up, make her safe again, because, you know, anytime you roll and you got bends like that, it's a good idea definitely to go ahead and replace it or have it repaired. But anyways, this is the Noam menu, or manual menu. But this is, I just want to show you guys how detailed their instructions are. So if you're looking at getting Noam products, they make their products for the average consumer to be able to install themselves. So you can see very detailed. We end up rolling it again and we lost the roof, so now it needs a new roof too. So I think I'm going to go with just the OEM roll cage for that. I found one off eBay. It's a little pricey, so I'm going to wait and kind of see if something better comes along, and then we're going to get just probably like a flat metal roof for it. I asked him for recommendations for the 900 and he said that I could buy the same system I have with just the 2 speakers without the subwoofer. It has the same amp. So I'm gonna buy that system to save a little money, because guys, the whole reason why I went with this company here, Noam, was because they are cheaper than a lot of other UTV speakers out there like Rocker Fosgate. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a sound system. I'm gonna basically mount the same system I have, the NUT V5 system, with this subwoofer. I'm just gonna buy the speakers and the amp in my son's Razor. So that will save me some money. Noam, I wasn't gonna buy anything from them, but the fact that those guys saw my video, or saw our video, guys, was kind enough to email me or message me in the comments, because I don't have an email. I just created an email. It's called ruggedrawmedia@gmail.com. So I figured, guys, we might as well make this official, because damn, 61 subscribers. We got 61 subscribers now. Just 2 months of doing YouTube. It shows you guys that if you never know where your videos might go. Actually, the owner of Noam saw it and sent me a brand new subwoofer. So we're just gonna pull this out. All right, and here you guys got it, Noam, and it's a subwoofer. I know this is kind of, I gotta get to work, so I didn't have time to like set up for proper video, but looks like just like the unboxing video I did. I got the 2 clamps here, and inside the box, by the way, guys, Noam's boxing is very good. I mean, they use high quality boxing material. It's not cheap. And when my subwoofer went out, I thought this was just some, you know, cheap company that did things, you know, proper boxing and made their stuff look really good, but it looks like they're the real deal, guys. I mean, they're all about customer service. I don't think Rockford Fosgate would have sent me a subwoofer for free, fat. That's why I like supporting these smaller companies. They're trying to make it out there, and there you go, brand new Noam subwoofer. So thank you, Guy, the owner of Noam, and basically that's the video. Comment below, let me know what system you guys got or how you guys feel about Noam. That way, because I believe they're probably watching this video, so they can read your comments and maybe give you some feedback, because they are really good at customer service, guys. I have a feeling if you have an issue or question, they're gonna, if you comment below, they possibly will, I'll send them an email, let them know that you guys drop some comments, just to make sure he sees the video. But if you have any questions for these guys on system, just, you know, anything, just drop a comment below and we'll see what happens. You know, I can't promise anything. I'm just like I'm the YouTuber, right? But I could do my best to try to get your comments replied from the Noam owner, and we'll see what happens from there. But anyways, we got a few days till Christmas. I hope you guys, this weekend's gonna be like crunch time for holiday shopping. Be safe out there. There's gonna be a lot of drunk drivers just because of the holidays. Just be careful if you're out on the roads late at night. Be safe, have fun, and Merry Christmas.
Hey, hey.